Good afternoon. Today we began our writing review for 2021. During the next 10 days, we'll be doing an intensive writing review to prepare for the Writing Star on April 6th. Each week, you will have an assignment where you'll take notes. It is great. If you're absent, it will be makeup work using the day's video. There will be an independent reading assignment and exit tickets. Exit tickets are not daily. You will access this assignment from Schoology. It is called Writing Review 2021. Do not submit the assignment until Friday. Each day you will take notes on the most important things you've learned or your takeaways from that day's review. You'll record those notes here on this table. That'll be checked throughout the week by me, and you will submit on Friday for a grade. Again, if you're absent, you're expected to complete makeup work or that day's notes will be considered missing. The Wednesday and Thursday notes have been combined due to STAR Sim testing. I will only see you either Wednesday or Thursday for most classes. Today's topic is analyzing the writing prompt and brainstorming. On the next page, you'll see an example of a STAR writing prompt. It tells us that this is a written composition. A composition is a writing that is composed. So basically, you are writing an essay. It is expository. Therefore, we know that an expository essay is meant to explain. On a STAR writing prompt page, there will be three main sections, you might call them. One is read, one is think, and one is write. The read section usually has something like a quote. It might not always be a quote, but it is something similar that is meant to guide your thinking or to generate some ideas in your mind about the topic. The think statement is your question that they want you to consider before beginning to write. And then the write statement there is your prompt. This is the actual idea that you're going to be writing about, but it is influenced by the think and the read statements that are above it. There are always these reminders, okay, of what your essay must require. Now, after you've looked at this prompt, write an essay explaining the best way to learn new things, and you've already read the think statement. Is it better for people to learn from others, or is it better for people to learn on their own? You know then that the best way to learn new things, part of the prompt, okay, is referring to either learning from others or learning on your own, which is a personal choice. So then you want to brainstorm and decide, okay, what do I know about this? So you have two questions, okay? Is it better to learn from others? Or to learn on your own? And then you should explore the possibilities, okay? And think about what you know about each side of the argument. You can do this here on this page by inserting text boxes in the bottom two squares. Okay, and that is where we stop for today. You will go back up here to Monday and you will record, okay, what are 2 or 3 takeaways or main ideas or things to remember from today's discussion, analyzing the prompt page and brainstorming. Do not submit this document. It'll be used again tomorrow. Your other assignments for today include independent reading. In Unit 1 of HMH Ed, you are going to read the story called Thank You, Ma'am. There is no exit ticket for today, but be prepared for tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.